wanted to know, for 25 years we don't suffer. Are you tired? Listen to me. Please, Jackie, Peter, Obi, our president. Our president. Don't just say my president. Don't just say my president. No, Okute in the you know the film. Okay now, you first show, you should shine. Okay no. This is still you come again. See, I who say we not get Papa? Then we reach our daddy, daddy. What did they want to do? What did they want to do? Don't let them see you now. What we don't do? 21st of September. We want to chase out PDP and APC. We don't time for them. It is time for them to go. We want to change the change. And to change the change is to use somebody we know well. Not be say somebody where if you not here with the gun campaign. When I the campaign, I come out with you. Today we don't come out with you again. They're not here. So they will never repay it. We are going to repay it and make sure all these things are going to work. So please, on the 21st, go out and vote Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. Mama, Papa. Who be your girl? Who be your girl? Who be your girl? We will send them hot breakfast. What you say? They go, who they busy? They don't bath. How do we do this? How do Labour Party do this? They say we don't get level. How do we do this? We will stop them. We will choke. We will choke. Our face not show. Our shoe not shine. All their father. 21st of September. Election day. Now freedom day. Again they come out for bondage. When I hear what our Papa talk, we want to do the road. We want to do school. Let us give us a chance.
I think the suffer never tire. 25 years we never tire. Now there be one guy called say he go do one. What do you want to when they want to do this? Monkey the bundle. If you didn't pay, nothing when they fit do. When they move ahead ahead. The matter now the day.
And don't people lose your time. Olumide Akpata. See how sweet they like things. And don't people, I will never leave yours. I will never ever. I dedicate my time to you, my people.
DJ, wait, DJ, hold on. DJ, hold on. See, you see that woman where they always they talk to them. That woman where you know the length than the rest. The fearless woman. Una the year of Asha Yusuf.